filming. So,
yeah, this yeah.
it doesn't start basically, and we don't know why.
Yeah.
We're trying to work out why.
Yeah.
Any help? Well, hopefully, I don't know. The end of this video might be us getting it working, or it might be, please help.
Yeah.
We'll see.
We'll have a resolution.
1 week later.
Okay, what's going on, people? So as you would have seen in the last clip, we have a problem with the MG not starting. So what happens is the battery engages once the battery has juice from it being jumped. And before people get onto us, we are going to replace the battery before it goes for MOT. But when we do start the car, the fuel pump doesn't engage. And according to quite a few sources, it appears to be the immobilizer stopping the fuel pump. So we're going to try and diagnose what that problem is, but in the meantime we have got our bypass security code through quite a few helpful people on Facebook groups, so I'm going to try and use that today to get the car started. So yeah, watch this space. Callum isn't here today, so it's, it's just going to be me and my dad, so yeah, we'll just go from there. So quick update, I completely forgot to get a relay tester because in the MG, the alarm light, I don't even know if you can see it through there, there's no point, isn't coming up on red. So I'm going to go with my cousin real quick and see if we could get a relay tester, because I forgot to buy one, because I'm great like that. So yeah, in a bit.
Right, a few weeks later.
Hello.
We're still here trying to get the car to start. We have tried everything. We've been on Facebook forums, we have been on Google, YouTube, you name it, and we're still here trying to work out why it doesn't start. So we're going back to basics. We've had to jump this car basically every time we started it. So we know the battery's a little flat. Obviously it's sitting, so it's not charging, so that's not great either. So we bought a new battery. We're going to put that in, and fingers crossed that'll make a difference, but you'll see. But we're kind of out of ideas, aren't we? So
Yep.
yeah. All right. Alright, so new battery is in. Special thanks to that bolt down there for being really difficult, but apart from that, not too bad. So, moment of truth. Another little V6. Joe?
Ready.
Let's see.
Steady. Nah, it's not gonna work.
We'll try and turn it over.
It usually does its nose like, that's the fuel pump.
Yeah, yeah.
Nothing.
Okay. Let's try some other things.
Yep.
So, what is that? New gear knob, believe it or not. I know you wouldn't know it from this message, but we're ready to see it.
Yeah. He packaged it well.
He
packaged it
I
well.
can't even find it. Oh, it's in here. Ooh.
Oh.
Oh. Look at that. On brand. That's nice, isn't it?
It's really weighted, isn't it?
Yeah.
Now we could get rid of this nonsense. We'll join you back when it's fitted.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hello.
You know.
New knob. It's all nice and tight. Bit of a nightmare getting the old one off. But it's on, slick, it's on brand. Very, very happy with that. It looks lovely. So, yeah.
It looks so nice.